Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch a Lexus IS350. First, ensure your engine is fully warmed up to its optimal operating temperature. Next, engage the Sport Plus driving mode, which sharpens throttle response and transmission shifts. Then, locate and press the traction control button to fully disable the vehicle's stability and traction systems. This preparation is crucial for achieving the best possible acceleration from a standstill. Get ready for an exhilarating experience. Before you launch, make sure your Lexus IS350 is in the best possible configuration. Engage the Sport S Plus driving mode, which provides the most aggressive engine and transmission settings. Crucially, fully disable both vehicle stability control and traction control by pressing and holding the track OFF button. This prevents the car from cutting power during wheel spin. Finally, ensure your steering wheel is perfectly straight and you have a clear, safe path ahead. These steps are vital for a controlled and powerful launch. Now for the exciting part, the launch itself. With your left foot, firmly press the brake pedal. Then, with your right foot, gradually increase the engine revolutions per minute to between 2,500 and 3,000. This builds boost and prepares the engine for maximum power delivery. When you're ready, quickly release the brake pedal while simultaneously pressing the accelerator pedal to the floor. Be prepared for rapid acceleration and a thrilling surge of power as your IS350 takes off. After a successful launch, maintain a firm grip on the steering wheel to keep the vehicle pointed straight. If your IS350 has a manual transmission, execute smooth and precise shifts to continue accelerating efficiently. Remember, practice makes perfect, so find a safe, controlled environment to refine your technique. And speaking of staying in control, staying hydrated is always important. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Enjoy the power of your Lexus IS350 responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.